Do you want to know how you can find your images on Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can find or search for your images. Go ahead and open midjourney.com on your Chrome or Edge browser, log into your account. You can see the left side here. You can see archive. If you click on archive, you can see these are your images which you have created. Now, in order for you to search for the same image, all you need to do is click on this, copy this prompt, and you can see that the prompt is here. Go ahead and search for prompt and you can find similar images as well. You can see the uploads here by clicking on these three dots, go to manage uploads, and these are your uploads over here. So all you need to do is open Midjourney, go to archive. These are your images. So over here, you can find your images and use it for further use, or else you can click on these three lines, go to manage uploads, and these are some of the uploads. You can see your uploads from here as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.